Well, it's about 10, I think it's like 10:50, or no, it's about 9:58 right about now. Got the 2 mini bikes loaded up. Getting gas in the truck, headed to Texas. Wow. It's so big. It's huge. There are so many freaking cars. We get to the swap meet and we're riding around for the first few hours, and the pull cord on my mini bike breaks. But I did manage to get it fixed and we kept riding. Yeah, yeah. Mini bike. It's a Baja Warrior. It's got a new electric start motor on it. It's got a new torque converter on it. Even has a new brake assembly. And it has a fake gas. Comes with the fake gas tank, and the motor itself comes with another gas tank. And I picked it all up for $300, man. But there's a couple things wrong with it, but we're gonna go over to Go Power Sports while we're down here in Texas. And we're gonna go get this thing running and riding. When I got to Go Power Sports, I found this thing needed a couple things. Most importantly, it needed a new belt and a bolt for the shaft of the motor. And one of the other things it needed was a new control arm, because the front barrel nut, the guy who owned it before me had lost the front barrel nut, and the one in the back, he had taken a screw out of the air box and put it in the barrel nut to hold the cable. The other thing that this needed was it needed oil. It was so brand new, it still had the stop add oil tag on the fill plug. So this thing is brand new. It does have a big dent in the gas tank, but I do have the spare tank over there for it. Alright, we're here at the Go Power Sports. Got a new belt on that dude. Looking good. Just need a couple more parts and she'll be ready to go. At this point, I had everything put together. I was ready to go, but the thumb throttle that the guy had put on wasn't enough to actually turn the motor enough to engage the torque converter, so I just used the control arm, and when I did that, it made an absolutely terrible grinding noise. As it would turn out, the guy left the number 35 sprocket in the torque converter instead of changing out for the number 40, so when I went forward, it slipped. So I wound up changing that out, and of course the chain with it. Man, look at this, guys. Look at that beautiful clutch. Beautiful torque converter. Got some new chain on there. Got that torque converter. We got a new throttle control arm in there. Whew, she looking good, man. She rides good too, let me tell you what. So once I got the mini bike fixed, we went back to the swap meet and just kind of hung out and rode around for a little bit. meet. We got the blue cruiser mini bike here. I got my new mini bike over there that I just got the other day. We're gonna ride around for a few minutes and have some fun. Alright, man, look at this. Got everything all loaded up. Got all sorts of goodies. This ain't even everything I got. I got more up in the cab still. Shoot, yeah, this is looking like it's gonna be fun times. Well, here we go, guys. There's the haul for the Pate swap meet. Got some motors, got a couple part motors. Bought these nice little hubs and rims. Some new lights, probably gonna go on the Coleman. New tires. Got the new gas tank cover. And I say that's pretty good. I think we definitely did pretty good with this one. Well, all in all, I had a really great trip going down to Texas. I had a lot of fun meeting the guys from Cars and Cameras and Build Break Repeat. Big thanks to Go Power Sports for helping me fix the mini bike. Had a great adventure finding the mini bike, fixing it, riding it, and really glad I got to hang out with my dad. But overall, it was pretty good times.